Hello guys, welcome back to SBTech channel. Today I'll be discussing about KIVA Network and I'll be basically doing a review about this project. I'll be walking us through on how to go about the mining, how to go about the withdrawal and the transfer of their test token into our Metamask, and also I'll be clearing the air as to if this project is already listed, because in some exchange you can see this K sign and some people are actually trading on it, buying and selling and all of that. I'll be clearing all of this on this video, okay? But before I proceed with that, do ensure you are a subscriber to SBTech channel. If you are not, subscribe on the button and also turn on your notification bell, put it on all, ensure that you get notified whenever I make a post, okay? So KIVA Network started showing their intention on Twitter on the 7th of December 2024, and on the 28th of February they started announcing that they will be launching their app very soon. That's that week and all of that. And on the 2nd of March they launched their app. Now KIVA Network developed their own layer 1 blockchain, okay? That is to say that they are coming under them as, okay, just like how Core did. They developed their own layer blockchain. So that's what KIVA Wallet went ahead to do. Now they have a total supply. KIVA Network have a total supply of 2 billion. So this project, like I say, is a new project that just got started last month, okay? That the mining got started last month and all of that. So if you are seeing this video this very day, which is the 11th of April, you are not actually too late, okay? Now this project has gone ahead to do 2 halving, okay? Now let me show us. So this is the halving that they announced. They say that the halving moment has arrived again to identify malicious registered accounts while ensuring that normal user total mining reward remain unaffected. We have extended the original schedule halving time. Okay, that is to say, a lot of people that went ahead to started registering themselves using their other registration email, you understand, they were able to rectify those issues and to eliminate all of those accounts, okay? So if you are among those that will see a project and you want to run down multiple accounts and you're using one same phone, it's kind of a red flag, because some projects may actually go about detecting it and they may, terminate such an account. Okay, so over here is where they have to come over to explain it publicly that they are quite different from the K coin, which a lot of us has been seeing on some exchange. Now this K coin is known as Kinto price. Okay, this is the Kinto price where you can see this exact K sign and is already trading. So this is different from KIVA Network. So get note about that. So in order for you to get started with this project, the first thing you need to do is to. So guys, there are basically 2 ways to register for KIVA Network. The first is by using their web and the second is by using Telegram. Now I will recommend, maybe if you want to start up with this project, you start up with Telegram, okay, and then you can bind both your web and your Telegram together. By that I mean that you can actually use the information you use during your Telegram registration to log in your KIVA Network using the mobile app, okay? And to download the app, you just need to come over to this part, okay? Come over to the web and then you click on this download application, okay? Download Android application. So remember that while you're doing your registration, ensure you use an invite code, because there's always a bonus for that. So let's match over to Telegram. So for you to move over to Telegram, you just need to click on Start Bot. After clicking on Start Bot, to this you'll be seeing this. You just need to click on English, okay? You click on English. So after clicking on English, to display this. So if you have gotten an account with them before, you may just have to insert your email login account, okay? But if you have not, then you need to do all the information there, okay? So this is it. Because I've already gotten and I started with using with an app, okay? So I went ahead to insert my login information, okay, by inserting my email, and afterwards they will ask me to insert my password, of which I did, and it brought me to this. So over here you can click on open the mini app. So this same dashboard will be reflecting for as many that are also using the mobile app to farm, okay? Now, in order for you to start your farming, you just need to locate this K symbol. Now you click on this K and it will turn green. Okay, once it turn green, it simply means that you started farming. Now you can see the breakdown as the more they get miners on this project, the more the hash rate keep decreasing all over. Okay, that's how it will decrease until it is no more. Okay, so over here is my referral and all of that. You can actually get your referral code by clicking on this. Now if you want to refer people, you just have to follow this arrow carefully. You click on this and you successfully copy your referral link, and then you can send it to your community or to people to register under you. So over here in this profile, now on this profile here, this is where I clicked on. Okay, let me click it here. So when you click on that profile, is where you'll be seeing transfer, withdraw, okay, all of that. Now in order to do your transfer and withdraw, as I promised earlier, you just need to click on transfer, and over here you go ahead to put in the address. Now I'll be getting this our wallet address from our Metamask or from my Metamask, and I'll be putting it here, and I'll be also issuing for a withdrawal. So but before we proceed with that, in case you don't like this your profile name, you can go ahead to change it. And now to change it, you just need to click on this settings, and over there you edit the profile name, you change it to the name you wish it to be. Okay, now you can see I've done mine. Okay, so let's match straight up to the withdrawal and the transfer. Okay, so moving back to their tweets on Twitter. So guys, 2 days ago, they actually tweeted on their page saying that, "Dear KIVA user, we sincerely invite you to experience the transfer and withdrawal function of kivaTest network wallet first. Some blockchain function of kivaTest network token are now officially open. You only need to complete the following step to participate." Now, the first step is successfully bind your blockchain address to your account and connect to the Telegram applets. Now connect an external wallet such as Metamask to the kivaTest network. Now to do that, you just have to copy all of this information, and then you'll be manually inserting it on your Metamask. Okay, and after you must have done that and you have copied your receiver address, and you go over to your Telegram to bind your account, you'll be receiving 0.1 kivaTest token as a reward. Now this test token that you receive, you should not tamper with it because it will be used as your gas fee. You understand? So unlike some other projects where you have to maybe buy Solana or buy BNB in order for it to withdraw and all of that, you understand? You just Kiva will be using the 0.1 token that was being allocated to your blockchain account. Okay, and then they will be using it as their gas fee. You remember Core did the same thing. That's what their Kiva is about to do. Okay, so this will be preparing us about the mainnet and all of that. So let's dive over to inserting all of this information and then binding our blockchain address to our Telegram applets. So guys, if you don't have Metamask, you just need to go to Play Store and download Metamask. Okay, over here is where you locate settings. Now you locate settings here, and after clicking on settings, you select network. Now this is it. So I'll use arrow to specify all of them. Okay, so this is where you add all of those. So you click on this arrow here. So here you see add network, you click on add network. So you switch over to custom network. So here we are going to be inserting all of that. Okay, you say kivaTest. So here we are going to be putting the HTTP. You click on this and then you type this. So you go over to type this and then you click on add. So over here where you see chain ID, you just put this word 55139. So the symbol, you capitalize it, and then over here we click on this arrow downward, and then click on add, and then we type in this. So it is necessary you follow this step carefully, okay? So this is it. Ensure it matches with what has been posted, okay? You also find it on the description of my video, okay? And then you click on add block explorer, okay? So you click on save. So over here where you see Ethereum sign, you are going to be switching over to KIVA. So this is it. So click here. So you can now copy your address. Let's go back. So to copy, you just either you click on this to find receive, or you go ahead to click on this. Let me this, okay, or you click here and then you click on receive. All these are still the same thing, okay? So now let's go over to our Telegram applet to bind our wallet account. You move back to your profile, and then you go over to this arrow, okay, here. You locate here, and then you'll be inserting your address there, and then you click on confirm. Okay, so we have actually bind our account, which is the step 1. Now this is the available. Now the available is displaying here. We click on withdraw, or you click on transfer. Any of them you click is okay. So we have successfully withdraw it, okay? So we'll be going back to our Metamask to check it if we have actually received it. So guys, you can see it took some seconds or almost a minute or two for it to display here, as you can see. So guys, we hope for the best about this project. Remember, this is crypto, and do well to subscribe to SB Tech channel if you haven't. If you found this video helpful, do well to share and also give it a thumbs up. Bye for now.